Alright guys, this is what we picked up. It's going to be an unboxing. It shows what we have here, except for, yeah, everything here is what we have in the box. So I'm going to have the wife hold the cameras, and then we're going to do an unboxing. Alright, ready? Okay. Now, this is the instructions and stuff. This is what I paid for it. So you can put it right wherever you need to. Alright. Now this is it with the shipping. Alright. Now, this is everything that it comes with. It's supposed to have 8 cameras, but I only got 4. So you take 2 of these off. It's got an external hard drive, which does a loop record every 30 days. It's got all the mounts, and it's also got a key so you can lock it so nobody else can tamper with the footage. And then, of course, these are all the diagrams, everything that you need to do to go on for Wi-Fi and stuff like that. We'll look at all those a little bit later. Okay, now I got 2 different kind of cameras. All right, this version is they're both, all of them are 1080 pixels, but the other 2 are shaped different. The other 2 are made for outside. Now I just got to figure out how I can get this mounted for the dash. But we got right here, this is night vision, and it's got a nice power cord. So we just got to figure out how to mount them, if we want to mount them inside or if we want to mount them outside. If we mount them outside, we'll have to figure out how to put the screws through here so not to hurt it. Alright, and then the other one is this version. Now this version will be easier to hook to the mirror, because you can use those little screws there they use for the antenna mounts. Now they all have, like I said, night vision. As you can see, the LEDs in there for night vision. So you got that. They're all waterproof, and another pretty good sized cord. All right. So we got 2 of those and 2 of the round ones here. And you have a lot of cable. So there's no reason that you can't run this thing pretty good. Alright, now we also have more hardware. We got the SIM cards. We got the Wi-Fi antenna. And we have all of these connectors. The power, the little antenna that goes outside so you can have the Wi-Fi. Alright, let's put those in there so we don't lose them. Now we're doing this video here. I will be having a install video. Alright, now we got more wires here. Of course, all men love remote controls. This is the bracket for the monitor. This is the monitor right here. Of course, you got your power. You're up and down. You can switch over from what camera you want, what angle you want and stuff. So that, I'm thinking about mounting. I got the Freightliner Classic. Freightliner X. Evolution. There we go. So I got that metal bracket. So what I'm gonna do is mount that right in the middle, so that way it's easier for me to see. And then this right here is a little bucket made for your external hard drive. Now I got the external hard drive because it loops. There's all the connectors for it. Everything that you need to have it. This is where you can lock it so nobody can get inside and take out your stuff. So that will just fit right in there so that way it doesn't slide around. So we'll put that back in here. Everything came out of this. Came off this, all these little red things. Put these back on so we don't lose them. Now, everybody's always talking about safety, and this right here is going to be safety. The install is probably going to take a little while. I'll try to use the GoPro so I can somehow get it edited, because it's going to take a little while to get everything put inside the truck, because I want to make sure everything's hidden, make sure there's no wires anywhere, and that way nobody knows that it's in there. You know, they don't know exactly where it is and stuff. And there we go. So that video will be coming next. As soon as I get everything done. You can never put stuff back in the box the way it came out. Alright. Remote control back in. Now with all the wires, this goes on the back of that external hard drive. Like I said, we're going to read every little instruction that there is to make sure that it's properly installed and working the way that it's supposed to work. That way, I will have some cool driving videos. Right there. So anyways, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm sorry it's been a while since I did videos. After 6.5 months of being on the road, I'm finally home with my beautiful wife, so I didn't want to make any videos for the first 9 to 10 days because, you know, we wanted to spend time together. But like I said, I will have video out on installing this. I do appreciate you guys hanging around and being patient with me, and I apologize for running late and stuff, you know, not having videos out. But this right here is a game changer because it's also going to record my day so I can get more driving videos, and we'll be able to see more. You know, I'm going to try to get one hooked up on the side of the wing fairing or the skirting, so that way you can see, you know, the backing up and stuff like that, the way the truck, you know, moves around. Or maybe I can put it underneath the truck and we can watch the road and stuff as we're driving down. So, but anyways, so I will let you guys go, and I do appreciate you guys sticking around, and look out, maybe next week I'll have this installment video, and I thank you guys for watching. Alright, you guys be safe. Bye.